Alright, hello everyone and welcome on back to some Dash Auto Repair. Today we are working on a 2005 Nissan Altima. We're replacing the resistor for the HVAC. Nothing is blowing on any speed, hot or cold. So typically these are the problem. Trace the relay and the relay is not the issue. So this is the next step, and that's only like a $20 part, primed to my doorstep. So we're going to swap that out. Also, this is the one with the automatic climate controls. This one's white. It's only a 3-prong. The other one is black. So don't make sure you don't get it mixed up, and I'm going to put the link in the description on which one you need to get. But all right, let's go and get to it. The tools you need are a drill. If you're gentle with it, you got to go slow. But basically, we just need a Phillips. There are 2 screws, one here and one here. So all right, I'm going to show you the car. Let's get right to it. All right, guys, so we are on the passenger side of this Nissan. Basically, I have some of the carpet pulled up, but what we need is right there, behind this back plate. So this keeps people from kicking it, but basically, if you can see, the resistor is right there. Let's see if I can get some flash on. Okay, there we go, it's a little better. So see that gray piece with those 2 Phillips? We need to remove that. So let's get to it. All right, so I'm gonna try it with a flathead. All right, so actually, what we're gonna do is we're gonna undo it and then pull it out so that way we can get some nice clearance. So let's do that. First, let's see if it's tight. It doesn't look like it's too tight. I can get it out with my fingers. There's one screw. It's Phillips. And let's get the other one out. Sorry for the camera shake. Not very many good angles. It's such a weird spot. Of course, that one's gonna be tough. So, let's get the drill. All right, so I don't know where you guys left off, but pretty much I got one screw out, and I need to get the other one. And it's in a really fun spot. All right, everyone, so after you put everything back together, put the carpet back, go ahead and turn it on and enjoy air, cold and hot. Link in the description below for the right resistor, and like, share, and subscribe. Dash Auto Repair out. Peace.